Hi, my name's Andre. Welcome to 1 Minute Info with Canadian Appliance Source. Today I'm going to be talking about why go induction range. Ever notice when you turn on your electric stovetop and the coil or glass top will turn on and off to achieve optimal temperature? With induction, you turn it on number 8 and it keeps at number 8. Think of it like gas. When you pick a temperature, it stays at that temperature. Also, there's the added hazard that comes along with having open flames or exposed elements. Induction takes that fear away. With induction, the cooktop no longer heats up, the pot does. Lastly, cleanup. How long do we take cleaning our electric and gas cooktops? Tedious, time-consuming, and generally leaves the product looking scratched and damaged. Because the induction cooktop does not heat up, you never have to worry about a boil over cooking into the surface. Move the pot and wipe it away. It stays looking as new as it did on day 1.